Hey guys, my name is Mousree and today we will learn how to make this cool snake game in Scratch. By the way, this is not snake game, this is another way to make a snake game, but this is quite different between our previous snake game. So let's play quite different. There is no scores like, so it's more speed. We use speed variable for making this game. We can change the speed of it, so this is quite different. You can make this game awesome. And as usual, touching edge, it says game over. You cannot score, I don't know score. You can use another backdrop. I use this backdrop. You can use the previous game's backdrop. So let's make. So yeah, this is the scripts of the sprite one, means our snake. Yeah, and then there move. Okay, so let's go to the sprite. This is go to the sprite tree. This is goodbye guys, this is too much easy. I will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And there is no sprite in the backdrop as usual. Yeah, I use some backdrop backdrop code in my previous games like Sokoman game in and I will give the link in the description box of my Sokoman game and my what is this place game. It's fully made by mine. So guys, bye bye and take care. Bye bye.